You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this acronym. If you want to learn more confusing acronyms and pronunciations from the world of finance, or maybe you say it as finance, stay tuned to the channel. It's the return on capital employed, or capital employed as the Americans would say. And no, it's not generally not say the RoCE. I mean, it would make sense, wouldn't it? But if it's used as an acronym, it's just said as the RoCE, RoCE, or return on capital employed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.